familiar, but you're like, wait, I thought this was the garden guide. Temp-tations, of course, is only available here at QVC and started as ovenware, but now they have expanded to home decor and their collection is growing every single day. These are their Mosaic stepping stones, and these are so beautifully done. This is all glass mosaic, and I like that they use the white grout because it keeps everything light and bright and airy. So glass all the way through. They used white grout to create the garden critters that we've come to love from Temp-tations. And I just want to show you the back because there is some texture on the back. So if you're thinking about putting these in grass or mulch, I like that there's a little bit of something for them to grip on too. Now, look at the sale price on your screen. It's $33.60. That's not for one. You're getting both of them home for $33.60. Two of them. So when you look at our price, they're just under $17 each. These are our ladybugs, and I like that Steve, our other host, Steve Doss, who we have a show every Monday night, says she's a very patriotic ladybug because she's done in the red, white, and blue. We have about 300 to go around, or 500 rather, to go around if you would like that ladybug. Here is a look at your bumblebee option. 350 to go around if you would like the bumblebee. Here is your dragonfly. 400 available in our dragonfly choice. And our final option is the hummingbird. Most limited if you like the hummingbird, 240 to go around there. If you're looking for those unique and special touches for your indoor or outdoor space, these are those. Of course, you can use a stepping stone on grass or on mulch, maybe on a pathway or a walkway, but think outside of the box with these as well, because with Temp-tations, we're decorating inside and out. So they have ovenware, bakeware, place settings with some of these same garden critters, pillows and chairs. So think about if you're doing some entertaining outside and you'd like to use them as a trivet, and now you're placing your drinks on top. Maybe it's a place where you put the salsa and the guacamole. How about if you're using them inside and you have a house plant that you'd like to elevate? You're putting that plant on top of these, and now you're adding color and you're adding texture, and you're also adding a lot of life and fun into your space. So absolutely as stepping stones, but think about other ways that you can use these in your indoor and outdoor space. And then either pick the critter that's going to start or expand your collection. If you'd like to get the ladybug, you're getting red, you're getting navy blue, and then all of them will have the white grout. And I love the shine that you get from that glass mosaic. It's very pretty. Two of them are coming home with our sale price of $33.60. Here's a look at our other options. M80540 is your item number. Your bumblebee gives you the black and the yellow, so maybe you love to see bumblebees in your outdoor space. Maybe you just love to decorate with tones of yellow and black and white. This is a perfect option to get home. Here is a look at the dragonfly with the blue and the green and the purple. No matter which choice you make, they will all have that white grout, so they're really bright and pretty. And your final option is the hummingbird. That one gives you the most color. You get yellow, green, red, orange. There's some blue and yellow in there as well with that white grout. All of them are a set of two. Your easy pay is $11.20. These are an 11-inch diameter, so if you're using them as a stepping stone, you do have enough space to put your foot down. But if you are using them in the center of a table, or maybe you're going to use them for one of your plants inside your home, great for that as well. Look at the way that glass shines. So think about if you have these in an area that gets some sunshine, look at that. It's almost like a hologram. I think it's really cool. $11.20 to have two of these at home. And 80540 is your item number. And check out what else we have available from Temp-tations, because you'll be able to pick up other items that coordinate as well. If you're looking for a better way to weave